How's it going? It's time for another day of macro photography here in my local forest. I'm expecting a lot of insects again, as it's that time of year, but we've also had sort of a week of on and off rain now, so everywhere's a little bit more damp. So fingers crossed there'll be some fungi around as well, maybe some slime moulds too. And while I've been stood here filming this intro, I've noticed there's a small insect sitting on this bit of wood here. So I guess I'll get started with that, see if I can get a shot of it quickly. And then we'll start the walk and see what else is around. I'm just going to try and get a side-on shot of it first of all. It's moving just enough to mess up the shot, so I'll try a couple more times. Bit of patience, see if it decides to sit still. No, it does not want to sit still at all. Right, well, I think I'll leave that. I don't know if any of those photos will have turned out okay or not, but we'll leave it be now. Nothing on this log. There's a nice ground beetle down there, but I'm not going to be able to get a photo of it. Found this small cluster of pretty good sized mushrooms here. They're not in the best condition, but what I'm thinking is I'm going to use the camera that I'm filming with here because I've got the wide angle lens on it. I'm going to set it down nice and low, looking up, try and capture the trees in the background as well, see if it turns out any good. Be the first time I've really had a chance to test this new wide lens out on a mushroom, so let's see if it works as well as I'm hoping it will. I've turned over this pretty large piece of wood here. There wasn't much under it. I did spot this ground beetle, similar to the one I saw earlier, but luckily this one is staying much more still. So I've taken a couple of photos of it. I think they should turn out pretty nice. Now, of course, I'll very gently lower this log back down, make sure it doesn't harm it. I'll search under a few more pieces of wood around here, see if I can find anything else. Now you might recognise this particular spot, as I was here last week doing the same thing. I didn't find much then, but I'm hopeful I'll find a little bit more now as it's a bit more damp. Things should be around. So I'll start under this quite large piece. A couple of centipedes. I'll just put those back. I've photographed a lot of them recently. I'll try this nice flat piece here. These tend to be good. There's nothing under there, but there's actually some slime mould on this piece. It's not anything special, but I've not found any slime mould for quite some time now, so I'll just place it on here, I think, because it's a nice flat surface. I can lean up against it and take a couple of photos. I'll just leave the flash on. I normally wouldn't shoot with flash for these subjects, but there's no harm in doing that for a change. Found this pretty small, really colourful little insect here. I don't really know what this is. I've never found one before, but it seems to be staying still at the moment, so I'm hoping I can get a nice photo or two. I think ideally a side-on photo to pick up some of that colour and pattern, maybe a top-down, and then try to get a portrait one as well if I can. It has perched itself in a Slightly less photogenic position now, but that photo should still turn out alright. I'll try a couple of different angles. I'm gonna have a quick try at a head-on shot. The way it's sitting on this leaf, I don't know if it'll really work. Now it's moving around again. I think that might have turned out alright. And now because it has moved, I'll try one more side-on shot as well. Might be able to get something a bit better. And now I'll try a quick top-down shot just to pick up all the detail of the pattern on its back. I don't see much else here worth photographing, so I think I'll carefully place this log back how I found it. I very nearly missed this, so I was just stepping over this log here, and there's some more wolf's milk slime mould like I found earlier, but this time it's a younger example, so it's much more vibrant, a bright orange colour to it still. So I'm just going to take a few shots with the flash again, see what I can get, try and find a nice couple of compositions. Been noticing a few of these small little wildflowers in the grass here. I thought it's not a subject to photograph very often, so why not give it a go? See if I can get anything good. I think especially this one here with the two flowers side by side should turn out quite nice. So I'll see what I can do with them. I'd say it's not a subject I photograph very often, so I'm not too knowledgeable on how to get the best shot, but it's something different to try, something new to learn. I don't know if shooting flash is the right way to go about it, but that's what I'm going to try, because the wind is blowing the flowers around a bit anyway, so natural light isn't going to be possible. It's looking like actually it might look quite nice. Quite pleasantly surprised with this. Try a few different compositions, a few different angles. That's a little hard to get to. I've noticed in the bracken back here, it's quite a nice little mushroom. Looks like it might make for a nice photo with the white rim to it. Just got to find a way of getting the camera in there. I think I'll have to take the flash off, put the little flexible tripod on, go to my usual autumn style of photography instead. And then there's also, just along here, another mushroom there, or out in the open. I'll probably also do that, the same natural light technique. Right, move a couple of these small sticks that are kind of in the way of the shot. Be very careful not to actually disturb or damage anything. So try not to stick my whole arm into a nettle at the same time. Switch back to manual focus for this as well. So there's a blade of grass in the way that's making the entire shot green. And that moved. I think I found a composition that I'm quite pleased with. I'll let that take quickly. And I might do a second one. I'm going to change my camera settings and go all the way to f3.5 so I can try and get that really blurred foreground and background. That looks like it should turn out to be a really nice shot. So now try the other mushroom just down the path a bit. I think again I'm going to have to try and just gently move a few blades of grass out the way, a couple of sticks. I don't think this one will turn out to be quite as nice because there's just too much grass everywhere. Makes the shot look quite messy. And clean it up a little bit. It's definitely not quite as nice as that first one. But it's not bad also. I'll take it. Coming up towards the end of my walk today now. It's been a less successful walk than some of my recent days, but it's also been a shorter walk, so I can't expect to find too many things. I think it's time to call it a day. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and stick around for the next one.